Well, hello there, friends. Another fantastic quick recipe today. I made a little cheesy, creamy, buttery mashed potatoes. They are exquisite, delicious. I know you're gonna love them. Remember, friends, thumbs up if you like video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell. I'm Gotti here. Stay tuned. We're making them right now. Okay, friends, well, the first thing we need to do is cook the potatoes. You could roast them, you could steam them, or you could put them in the water like you're used to it, and we're gonna make it that way. Don't want to complicate it any more than we have to. I'm using a Yukon Gold potato, my friends. And when you cut them in fairly big pieces. You know, not too small, otherwise they'll absorb more water than they have to. And we don't want that. I got salted water here. I put about a tablespoon of water. And you know what I like to do? It's up to you. I like to put some garlic cloves in there. And you can put quite a bit. It's like 6 of it, 7, 8, I don't know. Depends how big they are. You can put quite a bit, my friends, because what happens is they become very, very mild. It's almost like a roasted garlic that you can do also. You can roast them in the oven. It's a different thing, different recipe. But poached like that, they be very mild. They be in the background. All right? So we're going to cook them. And cold water, always remember, don't put hot water when you put your potatoes. All the vegetables, you do the same, basically. You don't go in hot water, otherwise the outside of the potatoes are going to get cooked and the inside is not cooked. So that's why you don't put in hot water, because if you put in hot water, the outside cooks immediately. So you want to cook it, you want to bring it to boil, then reduce it and let them cook until they fork tender. And when they fork tender, I'll come back and we'll finish the dish together. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, friends, I just took them out, drained them. Wait a few minutes to make sure you drain them well. And you know when they cook, friends, when you put a toothpick in it and it doesn't pick up any potatoes. Some trick. So look, guys, I got a potato ricer. Hey, this is... Hey. Some tool. Yeah, I haven't drinking anything, okay? It just happened. Look, guys, I hope I didn't break it. No. This is a great potato ricer. I like it because it's got a big mouth, big opening, big mouth. That would be me. And so what I do is I take the potato in here, and I told you they were Yukon Gold, right, friends? And then I put them in there. See how much you can put in this thing? That's why I like it. And we squeeze them out of here. If it's very hard to squeeze them, you probably didn't cook them enough. You really want to cook them a lot. And then the garlic is going with it. You know, I can smell the garlic, but very mild, very mild. You know, this is a very, very mild garlic flavor. When you poach garlic, it gives you a whole different flavor than if you saute it. The aroma is still there, but it's a very mild. It's a different kind of aroma. It's more delicate. If I can use that word with garlic, not so sure. But look, see, nice. Let me tell you, the potato, if you don't have a potato ricer, don't use a machine. The machine makes them gummy. That's why sometimes you go to a restaurant and they got gummy mashed potatoes. It's because they use the machine. And unfortunately, the machine makes them gummy, and we don't want them gummy. So far, nothing special here, friends. Nothing special at all. But they're going to be nice, because the beauty is, friends, you can make them all in advance. That's what I love so much about it, you see? You can make them all in advance, and all you have to do at the last minute is reheat them in a lasagna pan, and you're good to go. Do we have anything we can save here? Yeah, I'm not going to throw this away. I'm not going to throw this away. I got a little bit here. There you go. Okay, and you know, I love this machine because, like I said, it comes apart. It's easy to wash, okay? While they're hot, we're going to put a couple of ingredients. I have some Gruyère cheese. You can put whatever cheese you want. This is about 5.5 ounces of cheese. It looks like a lot of cheese, but it's not. It's not really at all. We're going to put some salt because the salt and pepper, the salt that I put in the cooking thing doesn't really penetrate the potatoes at all. I got hot milk in case I need it, but you know, I'd rather put butter. I'd rather put butter than plain milk, because butter's got milk in it, buttermilk. It's better. Look, a little butter in there, friends. Don't be shy now, okay? Nice little butter in your potatoes. It makes them better. Better. Everything makes better with butter. See, look, very simple. Yeah, cheese. Put whatever cheese you want in there, friends. Like I said, this was a 5 pound of potatoes, and we have 5-6 ounces of cheese. Now, you put as much cheese as you want. I mean, really. This is like, let's make sure we got enough salt in there, friends. And then we're going to put them in a gratin dish. And we're going to put more cheese on top. Put a Parmigiano Reggiano. I'm going to put a little breadcrumb. I'm using a panko. And, oh yeah. I'm going to put panko in there, friends. So then I can I get a little crunch in there. See, I don't need the milk. Huh? Oh yeah. More salt. See, I don't need the milk. I'm not even going to turn it off. I don't need it. I don't need to put milk in it if it's going to make it more liquid. I don't need it. Look, the consistency are perfect, my friends. Right? It's perfect. So let's test it again. That's very important. You got to test it. You got to test it. Let me take a few spoons. I may need them. Because if it doesn't have enough salt, you got to... Oh, yeah. Now it's coming. Now it's good, you see. Like I said, the cheese you got to use is good. And you know, you can always put a little more butter. You can always put... And don't be using that margarine stuff, huh? Well, friends, we only live once. We got to take care of our body. Okay? So look. Okay. What do you think? You think it's good? You like it? Little cheesy mashed potato au gratin. Let's look. I got a gratin dish right there, my friends. You see? And this is a 2-quart dish. And this is a 2-quart dish. I think it's gonna fit. I hope it does. Oh, I put a little butter in the dish. Okay, just a little butter. Oh, I can't lose any, because it's just gonna be enough for that dish, eh? What do you think? Yeah, I could have used 4 pounds of potatoes for this. I could have really used a bigger dish. Oh, mamma mia! I could have used a 4 pounds of potatoes, 5 pounds of potato almost, because I would have liked to have it all the way to the top. You see? And it didn't do it this way. I want it to be all the way to the top, but I guess I'd increase the potato in your recipe, my friends. All we're teaching today is obviously the technique. Let me take this out of the way. The technique, we just got to add more potatoes, okay? So don't do like I did. Add more potatoes so you have a full dish. You see? And let me just do this right here. There you go. Yeah. So now I can make it nice. You know, remember, I'm a drywall expert. I got it. Here you go. You see? Right there, my friends. Done. Very simple, huh? This is not complicated, but I guarantee you, they're going to love this. If they don't, you say, okay, that's okay, and you eat it all for you. There you go, look. Now they're going to love it. Yeah. All right, look. Oh, it's actually not bad. I could have used another cup of potatoes, okay? So I fill up the dish completely. But I didn't measure it correctly. It's still going to be delicious. So a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay, a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Right there on top. Don't be using the Parmesan cheese in a green box. You know, so good. And then we're going to put a little bit of a panko breadcrumb. Panko breadcrumb. If you don't have panko breadcrumb, push whatever breadcrumbs you use. That's all. You can find that at a grocery store. Put a little more Parmigiano Reggiano, right? And then you know what I'm going to put on there, friends, is I'm going to put those bacon bits. I made fresh bacon bits. In fact, Jack is going to give you a link for that. We have a short video, you know, quick one, just 1 minute, just to show you how to make perfect bacon bits. And those are going to be delicious, my friends. All right, here we go. That's it. I'm going to put this in the oven, and when it's beautiful golden brown, I'll put a little more of this. When it's beautiful golden brown, we'll take them out. We'll wait a couple of minutes, and I'll come back. And then we're going to eat them. I'll see you in a minute. Oh, I'm going to clean the dish first. Nice and clean, okay, when I put it in the oven. See you in a minute. Okay, friends, I waited a little bit so it's not too hot. And then we're just going to take a spoon of this beautiful mashed potato. And see, now, beautiful. Beautiful. I mean, you don't expect a perfect slice like I would actually expect perfect slice, but this is just beautiful. And it's going to be excellent. I mean, we got a little potato with our butter. Huh? My friends, it's luxurious. It's delicious. It's easy. You can make it in advance, and when you're ready to serve it, just pop it in the oven. It's an easy way to do it. Friends, I hope you like it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Thanks for watching, friends. Wow, let me tell you, they're delicious. I'm glad I added the bacon on there. It gives a nice little crunch. It's actually delicious. Oh, I love it.